What's your pleasure? A la carte? Dinner? Uh-huh. Okay. Heads up. Pucci, he says he wants 2 spaghetti speciale, heavy on a meatball.
Tony, dogs don't talk.
He's a talking to me.
Okay, he's a talking to you. You're the boss. Mamma mia, mangiare che avere siti.
Now here you are, the best spaghetti in the town.
Ooh, I can cook that. Hey, you want to make some spaghetti? You want to make a spaghetti for dogs? Let's go! Let's go! Today, our hairy sous chef Luna will be taste testing the recipe to make sure everything is dog approved. Start by giving the dry whole wheat spaghetti a quick taste test to make sure it's ready for boiling. Then, we can start mixing up our meatballs by combining 96% lean ground beef with an egg and some unseasoned panko breadcrumbs. Give everything a good mixy mix and make sure it's seasoned correctly with the sous chef. Roll the meat mixture into bite-sized meatballs and maybe sneak one behind your mom's back while she's not looking. Next, we'll load up our meatballs into our air fryer and air fry the meatballs until they are browned and cooked through. Luna was very concerned about this process because, honestly, she probably would have preferred those meatballs served raw anyway. Meanwhile, we'll make an incredibly simple tomato sauce. Dogs can have raw tomatoes in very tiny amounts, but absolutely no pre-made marinara sauce due to high sugar content and preservatives. So we'll blend a couple cherry tomatoes with some low-sodium beef broth to give the noodles some flavor. Speaking of the noodles, they should be cooked just past al dente. Luna can confirm for us if the spaghetti is ready to go. Toss a couple ice cubies into the spaghetti to help cool it down more quickly. There should be no steam coming from the noodles when they are safe to be eaten. We can then pour the sauce over the noodles and toss in a little bit of Parmesan cheese to pull everything together. Finally, when our meatballs have cooled down, we can toss those into the bowl and mix it all up. Luna was so very patient this entire cooking process, and she deserves to be treated like a lady every day. Naturally, I had to do my best to recreate the romantic spaghetti scene from the movie, complete with a candle and some crispy breadsticks. Luna was certainly ready to dig in as soon as I started plating it up. While this pasta is technically edible for humans, it's definitely a recipe for the dogs. Plus, now Luna thinks she'll get spaghetti every time I bust out a box of noodles. We shared a couple meatballs and of course had to recreate the iconic spaghetti kiss. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. Do you ever get hungry? You can find this recipe and many more with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions over on thestarvingchefblog.com. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next episode.